All right, today a simple lunch. Banana peppers. I'm just gonna fry them. Now, normally if I'd make just banana peppers, I just throw them in whole and then I clean them after they're cooked. But I'm gonna have this with scrambled eggs and ham. So I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces first. All right, so I basically quartered up my banana peppers, and the only thing I'm going to use is olive oil, which I already put in, peppers, garlic, and a little bit of salt. Now, the tough call with making this is to put crushed red pepper in, because sometimes when you get these banana peppers, they're just brutally hot, and a lot of times you can smell them. And if you put in crushed red pepper and these are already hot, sometimes it's pretty wicked. These don't smell hot, but it is what it is. So I'll throw these in and I'll just sweat them down for a little bit, and I won't add the garlic until these are just about done, because I don't want to burn the garlic. Burnt garlic is terrible. And I'm going to cover these. All right, so those are about done. See, they're just slightly browned. Now I'll chuck in the garlic. And just heat it up a little bit, basically. A little bit of salt. Then I'm going to beat 3 eggs. I'll kick the heat up because I'm going to do it the way I usually do it. If you've watched my videos before, when I'm doing stuff like this, I start off almost like a scrambled egg. I use the bowl part of the fork. And yes, that's a nonstick pan, and yes, you're not supposed to use metal in it, but anyway. So I'll give that a quick stir. And get them kind of evened out. Lower the heat and let it set for a minute, and then it'll be kind of like go from kind of like a scrambled egg to more like a Western omelet, and then we can cut that and put it on the sandwich. That should probably do it. I didn't flip it quite hard enough, but there you see it. So a couple slices of ham is plenty. Then some of the nice peppers and eggs. You could never go wrong with this sandwich, by the way. This is just an all-time classic. All right, so there is just the classic peppers and eggs with ham. There it is. Let's give it a try. This one, the peppers aren't hot, so I could have got away with putting a little crushed red pepper in there. But like I said earlier, you never know. You can never tell with these things. Sometimes you get them and they're just over the top hot. And then other times they're just sweet banana peppers. But there you go. It's a perfectly good lunch.